Hello and welcome to The Fun Casino, the channel created to help you beat online casinos and bookmakers. If you're interested in making money from online casinos and bookmakers, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our website. In this video, we're going to talk about making money from slot machine offers. Playing slot machines are fun. The brutal truth is, if you're playing with your own money, you're likely to lose. But if you're playing with the casino's money, not only is there less risk on your part, if you play it smart, on many occasions you are actually favoured to come out as a winner. The majority of players don't make the most of the amazing opportunities to make money with slot machine offers. Online casinos have hundreds of pounds worth of slot machine bonuses and offers that can generate sizable secondary incomes for the people with the know-how. In this video, we share with you the secrets on how to make money with slot machine offers. Welcome bonuses and existing player bonuses, also known as reload bonuses, are all great opportunities to make money with online slot machines. They often give you a lot of free money to play with, and with a solid strategy, you can turn this into withdrawable cash. At first glance, this strategy can seem complex, and that's why the vast majority of people lose money rather than make money playing online slots. We break down the steps in an easy to follow, actionable way. Step number 1 is to use a casino bonus EV calculator. Sites like Profit Accumulator and OddsMonkey are great resources. Check the links in the description for the most recent offers to these sites. EV stands for expected value. Notice the word expected. Slot machines, by design, are unpredictable, and therefore we can only calculate our expected profit or loss based on mathematics and averages. Again, don't let mathematics put you off. There are plenty of tools available that make this process as simple as can be. At the most simple level, here is how we calculate the expected value of a slot machine offer. Expected value equals bonus minus wagering requirement times by house edge. If you'd like us to do an in-depth video on how to calculate EV for different slot machine bonuses, let us know in the comments. There's an important part to the EV equation that, unless you're an experienced casino player, probably don't know the answer to: the house edge. To calculate the house edge, we need to find what's called the RTP, or return to player. The return to player percentages are publicly available on all slot machines. They might not be easy to find, but they are available if you know where to look. These can be found on the casino's website, or Match Betting Products have a great database outlining all the online slots RTP. We'll go into detail on RTP in a separate video, but the easiest way to think of it is like this. If a slot machine's RTP is 97%, that means that for every £100 you wager, you can expect to have £97 remaining. In other words, you will lose £3 for every £100 wagered, meaning the house edge is 3%. Knowing the RTP of a particular slot machine is extremely important to give yourself the best chance of making money with slot machine offers. If given the choice of slots to use your bonus, you should be choosing the slot machine with the highest RTP. Let's jump into an example showing how we can calculate and make money from these slot machine bonuses. Here's an example. Let's imagine a typical casino bonus. You deposit £10, receive £10 in slot bonuses. There are 20 times wagering bonus on eligible slots. If we break this down, we can get a good idea if this is a profitable slot machine offer for us. Let's assume we can complete our wagering on a slot that has an RTP of 97%. The equation would look like this. Expected value equals £10 minus 200 times 3%. So this equals £10 minus £6 equals £4. In the most simplistic terms, a slot machine offer with these particular variables on average will bring home £4 profit. Now, that doesn't sound like much, and especially when we consider this isn't guaranteed. If a slot machine is cold, this offer could quite easily translate into a loss. But you might be forgetting two important things. There are hundreds of these offers available, meaning there are hundreds of opportunities to make £4 profit. Also, the example given in this video is rather tame. There are some casinos offering extremely aggressive slot machine bonuses that not only include bonus money but free spins with no wagering requirements. These offers have the potential to bring in significantly higher winnings. As you gain experience completing these slot machine offers, you'll notice that some offers are deceiving. Often the deal breaker is the wagering requirements. As a rule of thumb, any bonus with a 30 times wagering requirement or more is unlikely to be profitable and is not worth doing. Not only is it time consuming, but you'll probably lose your bankroll before completing the requirements. To make the most of these money-making slot offers, we recommend using some of the fantastic match betting software available. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on these products, including free trials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.